Pretty much every adult uses a knife of some sort, whether you're cooking, hunting, fishing, or working. Therefore, pretty much every adult could use the Block Knife Sharpener, the hottest-selling handheld knife sharpener in America. Made in Prudentville, Michigan, these sharpeners take little to no steel off your blade and deliver razor-sharp results. The Block Knife Sharpener is great for fillet knives, kitchen knives, pocket knives, everyday work tools, and more. A dull blade's actually more dangerous than one that's sharp. Stay safe with the Block Knife Sharpener. See demonstrations or order online, blocksharpener.net. Lifetime guarantee and free shipping within 24 hours.
Cold steel tonto blade. And you can see it's a used knife. I'm going to get it very sharp right now. You squeeze them in there tight, draw through. Keep the pressure on it. As you get sharper, start bringing the back end up. That pin's made to flex so it rides the original edge. Squeezing back, it puts the original edge back up as sharp as originals can get. Quick and simple. Use your leather belt when you're done. The rough side, any leather belt works. The leather polishes it, takes them up in the arm shaving sharp. Block Sharpener, we will sharpen your blades. Cold steel knife. How's that feel, buddy? Better?
Wow. Yeah, that's awesome.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
I'm doing these today. Show special, 20 each, 2 for 30.
All right, get one.
All right.
I got this.
All right.